looking for the same thing, a continuation. So now I'm finna pop on the 30-second real quick. We're looking at, coach. Fix me up, coach. So I am getting in for a sale right here. Stop loss right there and here. If I had 2 contracts on, I would be putting on another one, but I don't have 2 contracts on. Can I put on 2 contracts? Can I put on 2 contracts? I'm gonna put on 2 contracts. Okay, cool. So right now, saw the reaction I was looking for: high, low, new week opening gap. I was talking about how I was aiming for that, and we're gonna see if we can get some continuation on the lower side. Like I said, I want to go for here. What I'm gonna do is, since I got that contract on a little bit later than I wanted to be, I'm going to look for a sale, or excuse me, a contract to be taken off when we get to this low right here. So kind of like that, right there. I usually have about 30 seconds over here. That's kind of my fault, man. I have it where I can already see it. So taking the sale right here, coming here, it can bounce back up in here. And honestly, it could knock me out of my position, which is fine. I would then be looking for I'm still looking for sales, so I'm not looking for no buys, thing like that. I feel like we're way too close to new week opening gap, and I feel like we can definitely get to it. The only thing about this is news is coming up, so I want to see if we can get to at least this partial before 10 o'clock, and that's what I'm kind of gauging. So new week opening gap right there. Okay, cool. All right. So again, looking at this, got this fair value gap, got this 5-minute, came back below it. My opinion, like I said, we can at least stand down into here. Entry drill right here with that fair value gap right there. Fair value gap right here, that 1-minute fair value gap could be means of something right there. Right there. So you got that 1-minute fair value gap. Like I said, we could be waiting for news as well. So I'm now obviously establishing that as well. So we're waiting for news, and just kind of be waiting for that to see if we can continue to go lower. So like that reaction we got from that 5-minute fair value gap coming down here. Again, this is new week opening gap. Then we also got the 15-minute fair value gap right here, which is, I think, just formed. Let me go back. So we have that 15-minute when this candle closed, you got 15-minute fair value gap. So that's something also I'll be noticing too. Again, we could just be waiting for news. So very likely, very possible. Like I said, I'm hoping this move, or wanting this move to kind of play out before news happen. At least be able to take a partial and all that good stuff. But I wouldn't ideally like to be in here with news. But it is a 10 o'clock orange folded news. It's not red. If it was red, I probably wouldn't be on here. I'll wait. But since it's orange, I'm entertaining the idea that this could just go ahead and send us lower. I like what price was at, and for my opinion, like this was a good trade. Let me go to the ES. See what ES doing. is it's trying to drop, which is good. So right now in this case, I'm going to drop my stop loss right below that right there. So that order block right there. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down a little bit lower. This could be a potential partial right here. So get to that 33. I like to get 33. I'm not going to lie to you. I like to get in that 30-ish. So I'm going to take off a contract right there. So I'm going to buy one right there. Now this is where this is where I'm just looking for a push through here. Kind of taking a partial right there, then looking for a push. I wish it didn't drive my stop loss lower. I might get tagged out of this trade by doing this, but I'm probably put a break even. Just because we got news coming up, so I gotta respect the news. Gotta respect it. Well, not respect it, but just making sure that okay, we could be moving some volatile prices up here. So I'm just put that break even. I wish ideally, if you want to play it safe, ideally what you can do is place your stop right above these upper close candles, so this order block. So I'm looking at this right here. Right here is order block right here. Boom, boom, and boom. So ideally, I'm looking at that order block right there. What you could do is take that order block and then consequent encouragement. So basically like this. So I would take the buys of the candle. And that's exactly what I'm talking about, news. So that's cool. And it's 10 o'clock. And it's not a bad thing. It's just orange news, red folder. Just do some wonky, weird things like that. That's exactly what it does. Sometimes it goes into the favor. Sometimes I've seen it do this type of stuff. And that's why I was like, let me just go ahead and take partial right there. And then see if we get that runner right there. So we'll be looking for some more trades. Be looking for some more. What I'm hoping is we actually keep going up. And we get move away from this new week open the gap. And I'll still be targeting it. So we're going to see. But that's exactly why we do that.